This morning for math, we've been learning about positional words this week. Last week we learned about all of these three-dimensional shapes. And so we're going to make a little book. See where all of these dotted lines are? We're going to cut all the way around. Now remember, if you need more time for cutting, push pause and cut out the part. But don't do it until you watch what I do first so you know what to do, okay? So I'm just going to cut in the middle here. I don't have to cut on that dotted line because this is going to be just like our normal letter flip books. This is going to be the one we leave normally. Now I'm going to cut each one of these squares out. Okay? I'm just going to cut all the way across. Okay, and the point of this is to show you what three-dimensional shape matches a real life shape. So I'm going to go ahead and start with cone. Now it says staple. You will not need any pencils. You will not need any glue. You only need a stapler, so you're going to have to ask Mom and Dad for help. These four shapes are going to be the shapes that we're going to put in this first square, so you don't get confused. And we have a cube, remember, a cone, a cylinder, and a sphere, okay? So each one of these shapes is going to only go in this square. So let's start with cube. I'm going to put this cube. Just leave it there all nice and neat. And then you're going to look over on the other pieces and decide which one of these real world items is the same shape as a cube. Is it the orange? No. The hat? No. The can? No. The block? Oh yes, that's a cube. So you're going to cut out the block and you're going to put it down below. Notice no glue yet. Now let's look at a different one. Let's do the sphere. The sphere. This one kind of looks like a circle, but really it's supposed to be like a round ball. I'm just going to set it on top. No staple, no glue, no anything, okay? Then I look at my real world item. Which one looks like the shape of a sphere? The can? Nope. The orange? Oh yes. The orange looks like a ball. So I'm going to cut that out. And I'm going to put that one just right on top of the block, just like that. So now we have two more shapes. We have a cone and a cylinder. And I'm just going to trim this last part off. And I have two real world shapes, a hat and a can. And I'm going to decide which one goes where. So let's do the cone first. I'm going to put the cone on top of the other two. Sometimes you want to make them all nice and neat. And which shape does the cone look like? A hat or the can? The hat. That's right. So the hat goes right on top. So then the last two, cylinder is like a can. Now, here is where it becomes the flip book. What you have to do is staple in the order that it is. All together. And then you can read your flip book sight words. This cylinder is a can. flip this side and this side. This cone is a hat. Flip and flip. This sphere is a orange. Now really this should say an, but that's getting into different grammar. And this cube is a block. Okay? So remember, all you need are staples and scissors for this one.